Cleveland Clinic London is a patient-first organisation looking to deliver excellence in healthcare to all its patients. The customer service side of things, in terms of patients' access, make sure that they're fully informed and they have choices in their care, but also in terms of their outcomes, both in terms of medical outcomes but satisfaction after their care. I was drawn to surgery in the first instance, but I was then drawn to orthopaedic surgery because of partly the technical aspects in terms of the surgery itself, but also in terms of what orthopaedic surgery can achieve. It is a speciality that's very much driven by bringing people back to function following injury or sports injuries or other issues, but also in terms of relieving pain and allowing people to function to their normal limits. The main reward is seeing your patients and seeing what the outcomes that can be achieved with intervention in orthopaedics. I think there is a certain enjoyment of the speciality itself and being a doctor and being a surgeon, and I think everybody likes to enjoy their job, to get fulfillment from their job, whilst also being able to improve other people's lives is a great combination. But I think all patients are looking for information and being able to ask questions, but overall I think patients now really want to ensure that they're in a safe environment where they can guarantee good outcomes from their treatment. I'm fortunate to have many patients come see me over years, and indeed multiple generations of families who come and see me. For example, I saw 2 patients who I last saw some 10 years ago. But I think that's a rewarding thought, that patients remember me to come back and see me in the future. I enjoy spending time with my family. My children are like-minded in terms of their hobbies. I have a passion for restoring classic cars, and in fact my eldest son races. I think the similarity of mechanics and engineering in old cars and orthopaedic surgery they're not too dissimilar.